So we're going to go ahead and move the hive onto the scale. Now, as you can see, this hive is 1.5 stories for the brood chamber, and it's got a honey super on it. So I've recruited the assistance of Daniel to help lift this heavy hive. Hives can be very heavy, so we want to make sure we don't overexert ourselves. Also, it's a great idea to make sure you're wearing protective clothing. Daniel, since you've got the veil, I'm going to put you in front.
All right.
And on the count of 3, let's just carefully lift it up, move it over onto the scale. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Great. So now that the hive is on the scale, remember we've already paired it with my smartphone and we've already zeroed it. So now I can go back into that app, the BeeWare app, find my scale. I've got a couple scales, so I choose the one I want. And I'm trying to get a live data reading right now. So I'm going to look to see what the hive weighs right now. And the reason why I'm doing a live data reading is because the scale takes a recording every 15 minutes. So since we just put the hive on there, if I were to try and read data that's been recorded, there's no information there. So it's waiting for the device, it's found it, and it tells me that this hive is 104.04 pounds. It also says that it's a sweltering 82 degrees out here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that. I know that everything's working properly. So now I can come back to this hive on a regular basis, hit that button that's on the control panel. You'll see a blue light flashing. Go ahead and hit the read data in the app, and that information will be transmitted from the hive to my phone. And I have the app set up so that once it has all that information, it automatically transmits it to the cloud so I can go down to my office and see that information. I can also view it on the phone if I want, but it's a little bit easier on the desktop screen rather than the small screen of a phone.